I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Honda Fit light bulb. First, open your car's hood and find the headlight assembly. You'll see two 10mm bolts holding it in place. Carefully remove these. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the entire headlight unit forward. This gives you enough space to reach the back of the assembly where the bulbs are located, making the next steps much easier. Now that you have access, disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old bulb. It usually just pulls straight off. Then, carefully rotate the bulb counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to release it from its housing. Take out the old bulb, being careful not to touch the glass of the new one. Insert the new bulb, rotate it clockwise to secure, and reattach the electrical connector. For the turn signal or parking light bulb, the process is slightly different. Locate the smaller bulb socket on the headlight assembly. Twist this socket counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn and pull it straight out. The bulb itself usually pulls straight out from the socket. Insert the new bulb firmly into the socket, then reinsert the socket into the headlight assembly, twisting clockwise to lock it in place. Once all bulbs are replaced, carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its original position. Reinstall the two 10mm mounting bolts you removed earlier, tightening them securely. Before closing the hood, make sure to check the description for a great book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other deals. Finally, turn on your car and test all the lights to confirm they are working correctly and safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.